This is Tammy. All right, let me just do a real quick sound check. I'm hoping that this video here is working. I'm sure it is. Anyway, I just wanted to share some of my experience with Craigslist lately. Yes, it works. Yes, it still works, but you have to be consistent, just like anything. So you can see that I posted 3 hours ago, and this is one of my best pulling Craigslist ads, and it works really, really well with Get Fearless Freedom software that can be used for any business opportunity. That is the reason why I do love Get Fearless Freedom, because I do have a lot of people using it for other things. But if you do want to resell Get Fearless Freedom, the compensation plan is not too bad. It's not too bad at all. In fact, I do not make anything off of the $47 admin fee. I make money literally by reselling my own products and my own sales. So let me just say that again. The $47, I do not make anything. I'm actually hosting your website. So yes, does it rise the whole community when I support everybody else? Absolutely. But do I make anything off of your sale? No, because I pay my programmer and I pay my servers. So it is a robust system. It is only on my servers. It's not on anybody else's servers. So the $47 a month goes to actually hosting our pages. I just wanted to be clear on that, because I think a lot of times people think, oh, wow, she's making money from all these, admin fees and things like that. No, because there's some of my members that max out their back office. They max out their compensation, they max out their campaigns. Well, what does that do? It increases my server cost. And I have not increased my my admin fee for over 5 years. So I really, really, I pride myself on the fact that I've kept this very low for you to use for any other opportunity. I pride myself on being able to show people and help people make money online. So when other people make money, everybody gets excited. I just closed a $2,000 sale for Sam last night, in fact, and she was on the Tuesday getting started call. So I just wanted people to understand that I use the system myself and I bring in sales myself. Okay, so let's just make that clear. So please show up to the Monday and Tuesday Zooms if you want me to support you. If you are on someone else's team, that is just how it works. How I have to get my own work done. Okay. So anyway, back to Craigslist. If you want to learn more about Craigslist and how it works, you can go through the rest of my YouTube videos. You can also click the link below in the description, and you'll be able to see the Craigslist, the 7-minute video that explains Get Fearless Freedom. Okay, you have a 200 level, you have a 500 level. The 500 level has the auto reply software. The 200 level has the software for, any opportunity. Again, I do not use ClickFunnels or anything like that. I decided to have my own system, my own capture page system 5 years ago. So anyway, check the link below, and I will see you on the next video.